suitcase and go the lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go the lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
I'm talking to the boys and I'm forgetting to welcome the people that are watching the show. Well, welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. We're back for another 1 hour fun session of country music. And we're a little excited today because, you know, we don't have a guest artist, and that's not the exciting part. The exciting part is that we have Chris Ross on drums. And we love John Palmer, of course. We're all good friends, but I just love the way this guy plays the drums. He's got a good feel, and he's a good guy. Oh, hey, it's kind of a special day today for those of us who have children, and that would include Gary Swan. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you very much.
And Chris, somehow you dodged the situation.
I dodged a lot of bullets.
No, he
Oh,
just
you
don't,
did.
he don't know where they are.
You know, on the
Somebody
phone,
dodged a lot of your bullets.
on the phone this morning, Chris called me to make sure he was playing and everything. And I said, Happy Father's Day. And he said, thank you, but I don't have any children. And I said, how did a tall, good-looking guy like you get away without having any?
That's just what he told the, he just told the court that.
It is a mystery.
And he said something funny, which was just a joke, and I took it as it. He says, Carmine, he says, I have trouble taking care of myself. He said, I don't know what I'd do if I had kids. You know what you do like every other guy did. You just work a little harder and make it happen.
Exactly.
That's all. There's nothing to it. We just do it. So all you dads out there, God bless you. Yesterday was Flag Day. Was it Flag Day yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yes, and my brother Sonny, who passed away 2 years ago next month in July, his birthday is on June 14th.
Wow.
It was his birthday today, then he died a month later. He died at 74, so he would have been 76 right now, going on 77. He's been gone a couple of years. Anyway, enough of that. Swan, you want to hit us with something?
Here's the song dedicated to Flag Day.
There you go.
One More Last Chance.
Okay.
Kind of a trainy beat.
One, two, I want two, three. When she was standing at the front door, I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling bean in the right. She said, "You come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. Gonna listen to my preaching. Gonna get your hand today. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. The best that I can do. It's good old boy, taking noise, be running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Well, where'd she hit my glasses? Don't you know that I can't see? Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. This little town of me. Little friends call, my honky tonk. There's a party going on round here. She may have took my car key. She forgot about the whole John Deere. Tractor that is. One more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. This good old boy, taking noise, keep running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. This good old boy, making noise, keep running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me one more last chance before you say we're through.
Vince Gill, One More Last Chance.
Magnificent ending by me.
What's going on this week? Father's Day, I went to breakfast, I went to brunch or dinner, lunch. 2 o'clock, whatever time they call that. And my daughter Kim took me out this morning for a nice breakfast
Right.
at Foxy's in Glendale.
Yeah.
I remember when that place was built.
A long time ago.
I was watching it build it because we had an upholstery shop right across the street on Colorado Street. It was myself and Tony and my brother Buddy. We were three partners, and we called the place Sorrow Brothers. It was a big joint. And Foxy's right across the street. They started building this, and it's been there ever since. I went and ate there today. Brought back a lot of good memories, Kim. That might have been before you were born. What year were you born?
66.
Huh?
66.
66?
Yeah, about 5 years before you were born, 5, 6 years. Okay, enough of that, nobody cares, go ahead. I'm just blabbering stuff out, you know, I never know what I'm doing.
I don't think in Iceland they get the story.
Key of D, the off chord in the bridge is a G. I won't. I didn't say nothing. D dog. It's just a little
If life is like a candle bright, then death must be the wind. You can close your window tight, but it still comes blowing in. So I will climb the highest hill and watch the rising sun. And I pray that I don't feel the chill till I'm too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to
way past that age.
Thank you, that's the thing, it's a nice thing. When we go, they'll say, well, he had a good life.
He did. You know, I'm almost too old to die, period. I think
Even
I'm
better.
my second cycle or something. Anyway, we're having a good time. I'm telling you what, 100 degrees up here right now. Yeah, I got a couple of fans going. There's some beautiful young ladies out there watching us, and one ugly guy. Joey,
Joey!
love you, brother. Oh, and Brandon, of course, the young man. Where'd Brandon go?
He's right here. He's there.
Oh, he's behind the monitor of the thing. Put the case thing down so I can see him. Maybe he doesn't want to see us. There, hi, Brandon. My grandson, he just graduated.
Fantastic.
It's kind of like a college thing, they kind of call it, but yeah, we all went to the graduation. It was fun.
Well, he got further than I did.
Swan, do another one. Hey, you know, we're coming to you now from my business, my little upholstery shop, but we're still next door to Bob Smith Toyota. But,
It gives me a kind of
Yeah,
warm,
right.
warm feeling.
Me too, I
know
didn't want to
that.
go too far. So the Smith family, we still love you out there, and, yep.
We're still hawking cars for the Smiths. Okay, we're gonna wait till Carmine refreshes himself. Oh, okay. We're gonna build it. Dynamics. I'm playing as loud as I can. All right, here's a tune by what's his name?
Take a guess.
She. Every good boy does. First thing they lose is a song. Everybody's going out, having fun. Get that out there, stay home and have none. Can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. Didn't take
matter who I try to be, who ain't broken hearted me. I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, who ain't broken hearted me. And broken-hearted me. I'm holding to memory. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, you ain't broken-hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, you ain't broken-hearted me. Can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Now since you've been gone, I don't care what I try to be. It's the way broken-hearted me. Jim Gilbo wrote that song. I can't think of who the co-writer was. He wrote it with another fellow, but that song sold pretty well. Some artists did it, and it was a pretty good hit. Good song. And Gib was my brother-in-law through my wife's sister's husband. So I guess we're related that
Speaking
way.
of Gib, Ronnie said hello.
Ronnie, his son from Nashville. Ronnie, I'm coming to see you in August. Yeah, we're right at the edge here, feeding back a little. That's okay. So, yeah, Ronnie, we're going to see you in August, and Sue and I will be there. We're going to be running around and having some fun. Love you.
Chad says hi from Arizona at his gig.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Arizona people are saying hello. God bless you. That's great. Keep writing in. Keep saying hello. Push like, push share. When you see it on YouTube, push subscribe. And I think there's something else. So push whatever you want. You know. I'm not going to tell you what to do. What do you got?
Well, we haven't done a waltz yet. Let's do a
Let's
waltz.
do a waltz.
QC. Waltz across Texas. On the 5, 2, 3, 1.
When we dance together, my world's in disguise. It's a fairyland tale that's come true. And when you look at me with those stars in your eyes, I could walk across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms. I could waltz across Texas with you. My heartaches and troubles are all up and gone the moment that you come in view. And with your hand in mine, I could dance on and on. I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms. I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz around your coffee table. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms. I could waltz across Texas with you. I could waltz across Texas with you.
Well, it's a great Father's Day. We're having some fun, playing a little country music. We got Dr. Kathy with us and Dr. Teresa and two lovely ladies that I was just introduced to one like 20 minutes ago, and she told me her name. And right now I don't have a clue. Cannot think of what her name was. What was your name again? No, I know Colleen. Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. Okay. That was in that movie.
Surely you jest.
Don't drag me into your mess. And don't call me Shirley. Okay, here's the tune I get thousands of requests for every week.
You do it anyway.
But I do it anyway. I can't help it. We're gonna do this in G. Tune by the great Merle Haggard. Gotta get the words straight I have 3 songs all mixed up in my head.
One of them's a Merle Haggard song.
One of them,
One of them's a Hank Williams song.
it is. I can't help it. Well, I'll tell you what. I can't remember what it is.
We'll do today or something.
We'll do the other one.
All right, hang on, just give me 1 second. I'd like to remind you that we're not at Bob Smith's
Yes,
today.
well, thank you. He's slowly digging his way out of the ditch.
Yeah, his wife.
We have to do that a lot in this show.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart ignite. But today I started loving you
Yes, sir.
Good job. I love the way that boy sings. Paul, how's the family?
Family's good, Dale.
I usually ask you at the beginning of the show.
Yeah, yeah.
but it Just
Well,
came to me good.
Colleen is still here, but everybody else left town.
Where to?
Stephanie and Will and Ollie and Isla all went up to visit PJ
Oh, God. how
and her
wonderful.
family. So they're all up in Yosemite.
Good. That's a beautiful place
It's
to
a
hang out.
beautiful place to be.
Okay, man.
That's it.
That's cool. What do we
That's
got?
What do we got? Let's do Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. You know why I want to sing this? Because I just sang harmony with Gary, and Gary sings harmony with me on this.
That's a great song.
Well, you
I
know
love
what?
that.
I'd like to suggest Silmar for a nice vacation.
Go to your house, right? Then?
Oh, yeah. Come on out to my barbecue. I have one.
E.
I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I am coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low,
Listen to the big trucks whine. All around that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy me. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Going back to Houston, gotta go back to where I came. I'm going back to Houston, going back to where I came. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my pain. Going back to Houston, going back to where I came. I'm going back to Houston, going back to where I came. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And that old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Thank you. I'm gonna check my tuning while somebody does something.
Yeah.
Want to do another? Good. Start with that one. Love it so.
Today I passed you
very close to Bob Smith. You can almost reach out and touch him. And enjoy all you people watching the show and writing nice comments. We really appreciate that when they always say nice things about the band. And next week, my brother Tony was supposed to be here this week and didn't show up. Well, he said he might be here, so
Hey, Carmine, what about if
counted that
your
out.
drunk brother-in-law cuts your interior with his hunting knife accidentally? You can come to Sardo's to get
Yeah,
a seat fixed.
yeah.
You
Well,
don't need no Bob Smith Toyota.
no, I know, but you know, I'm really not pushing the upholstery business right now. I've got enough lined up to last me for a while. But anyway, Paul, you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do one after that, and we're getting pretty close.
They're playing our song.
Well, Kid G. Well, I was born in the Southwest 20 some odd years ago. And I left home for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home was on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida, I pick a cotton in Alabama, I pick walnuts up in Oregon, I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. Is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I got a woman in Cincinnati, I got a girl in San Antonio. Always love the girl next door, but every place is home. I'm a freeborn man. Is on my back. Every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah. barefoot out back on every mile of railroad track. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. They said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, they said he got religion at the end. That's all I had to do. Clayton was the best guitar player in our town. And I thought he was a hero. Used to follow Clayton around. And I often wonder why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. He never took the guitar player down in Tennessee. And my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Now Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It'll lead you to an early grave. And I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned picking up a lovesick blues. Now when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he can only see me now. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. Now I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. But it could bring up the good Lord like some little picking too. Yeah, I got a little lost there, so I had to go around one more time to get the train back on the track somewhat. How much time we got? We got 1 minute. Paul, do a quick one and we'll go home. Hey, we'll see you next week, folks. Thanks for coming up. Thanks for watching the show. Thank you, you know who you are, and everybody else for being here. And we'll see you next week.
Let's do it. We say, hey.
Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone will cause me to lose my mind. So belong your whistle freight train, take me farther down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark town where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and know you can never be mine. So long, whistle freight train, take me farther down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Thank you. Good night.